That's what you are going to do.
No, what is the bad time?
Done.
What is
Nobody is against the concept of the concert or
what exactly? What exactly?
But
What exactly? What exactly? No, Nizamuddin. But let me ask you,
what happened in
Mr. Bhatt?
What is happening in Shupea?
Mr. Bhatt, what are you saying? Mr. Bhatt, what exactly may I ask you?
It is very easy for you.
No, it's not. I'm asking you, what exactly do you think, Mr. Bhatt, is the right time to be welcoming artists? Tourism in the Kashmir Valley has to be encouraged despite terrorism. Why should this concert be any different? Despite the tension in the valley post the hanging of Afzal Guru, the tourist inflow did not dry up, though there was a dip in the figures. Why are you encouraging the creation of an atmosphere of fear? And you know who these people are. These are the people. These same Gilani. What's it? This same Gilani. This same Gilani is a person. This same Gilani is a person who says, I have a 3-point target.
Listen to me. Don't bring many issues in this.
No, I'm bringing a straightforward issue which you are not taking up.
We are talking about concert, its timing, its impact.
Yes.
You are bringing Gilani and many others, Pakistan.
I am telling you, I am telling you, you can be.
What's happening in borders?
No, what's happening?
Do you understand the pain of those displaced
Mr. Bhatt,
What happened in Gould? Do you understand their pain?
Mr. Bhatt,
what is happening in Kishtwar?
Mr. Bhatt,
do you understand?
Mr. Bhatt,
what is happening to us in
Mr. Bhatt,
other places?
Mr. Bhatt, you are going to let Mr. Gilani be the censor for the state of Jammu and Kashmir? There's a question from Meenakshi Lekhi. Go ahead. Meenakshi Lekhi is putting a question to you. Go ahead. I give the turn to Meenakshi Lekhi.
Mr. Bhatt, my question to you is, enough of talk about displaced people. If Zubin Mehta, a performer of world-class standards, the Kashmir is not safe and you cannot assure safety to him, what kind of safety are you going to assure to Kashmiri Pandits who have been displaced by constant acts of separatists? Now, Kashmiri Pandits who have been dislodged and distressed, and you don't give them minority status? They are your brothers and you don't give them minority status in the state? That is what your government is all about. And you don't, and people like you should raise those questions. Why have you not raised that question? Why are Kashmiri Pandits not given the status of minority community in the state of Jammu and Kashmir? And which government is responsible? Is it the central government? I think it's Jammu and Kashmir government. Whether it's the PDP or it's PNC. I have this question from them.
Our shared
mutual forget the culture. I don't think people of this temperament are free to discuss culture. If you want to discuss culture, I have a very simple question. If Junoon could be permitted, why can't Zubin Mehta be permitted? Answer me on that. And if you are so concerned about displaced people, tell me why minority status has not been given to Kashmiri Pandits. Answer me on that. And what have you done?
No, you are being asked a direct question. No, Mr. Bhatt. Mr. Bhatt, 1 minute. Mr. Bhatt, 1 minute. Please listen to me.
Why are you pinpointing at PDP?
No, Mr. Bhatt. Mr. Bhatt, it's a very straightforward question. Meenakshi Lekhi has asked you tonight. Mr. Bhatt, why are you getting worked up? It's a straightforward question.
And PDP should run the movement if the state government is wrong. Why is PDP quiet?
No, question is very simple.
Why are liberals like you quiet?
We are not quiet. I am speaking.
Of course you are quiet. You are avoiding, Mr. Bhatt, the basic question. And once let's get others in. You see, the fact is, Mr. Bhatt, that this incident comes in the backdrop of the hounding of an all-girl band in Kashmir and the huge row over reopening of cinema halls in the valley. This is part of a larger forced cultural radicalization of the valley. And I am asking you, all the good Kashmiris on the program, do you not realize today the agenda of Pakistan to try and force this agenda? Do you not know what Syed Ali Shah Gilani said? Syed Ali Shah Gilani said that the creed of, he said, let me speak. He said the creed of socialism and secularism should not touch our lives. And I have a 3-point target. The first is to impose the Islamic Nizam in Kashmir or Islamic jurisprudence in Kashmir. So Jammu and Kashmir is a secular state of a secular nation. Music is a right of every Kashmiri. You have no right to deny that right to the average Kashmiri and claim to be speaking on their behalf. You have no right to do that. So your state is getting radicalized by these people. You should take on these people like Gilani. But you won't do that.
Will you listen to my
You're always going to kowtow to people like Gilani. That's the problem. You will not take a position vis-a-vis them, then you'll ask why Omar Abdullah is not taking a position.
Arnab, I have an answer to your question. I have an answer to your questions. See, don't you agree that Kashmir is a place where you had and you have decent voices? Why are you perturbed on a decent
I am saying Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir,
That is the problem.
Jammu and Kashmir is a secular state.
which has given good governance.
Jammu and Kashmir is a secular
which has
state.
given reputation to
Jammu
the
and Kashmir is a
system,
part of India.
which
Jammu
has
and Kashmir is a
been
secular state.
working with our own people.
So
And you are the people who don't give us an argument to sell.
Please don't say you are the people.
There's
You
no-
We are
are the people.
sacrificing.
What do you mean you are the people?
I am just.
One question
An honest
again.
system. And you are denying us that right.
You are so insecure about
no,
music.
I have
let's get
again one
Abhay
question.
Rustom Sapori. One second.
Your government,
don't care.
NC government is
Say
trying to
I'm amazed.
persuade European countries to lift their negative advisory. How will you do that if you don't allow people to perform? And I don't think it's the democratic forces in any case which are running the state. It is constantly
I am
being-
sure you have read a page from Peace Moves of Ms. Vajpayee ji. You would understand what is Kashmir and what PDP has been doing. I am sorry to say, go through that page.
I think from Vajpayee I have moved on to 2013.
I
think
give-
things have only
Sohail,
gone
I'm going to come back
and
to you.
worse by the day.
No,
And you
one
have
second.
to answer me what is happening today.
Sohail,
I
I want to
will
come back to you,
answer
but
you.
Meenakshi,
I
1 minute.
will clear this
Meenakshi,
problem.
let's not have a two-way conversation. Abhay Rustom Sapori is a santoor maestro and composer. Abhay Rustom Sapori is a santoor maestro and composer. He's part of the Zubin Mehta concert. He and his father, Pandit Bhajan Sapori, will be performing with Zubin Mehta. And I'd like to underline here that Kashmir has the longest cherished history of music, dance and arts, and some narrow section wants to try and rewrite Kashmir's cultural heritage. Abhay Rustom Sapori, your views on this, this attempt by the separatists, the pro-Pakistan separatists, to block the concert?
Arnab, first of all, thanks for inviting me here. See, right now it's very important for everybody to know that our focus should be on culture,
Precisely.
on the music, and let's not divert onto the political sides. Kashmir has had enough of politics day in and night, and right now it's very important. With open hands we welcome the maestro, Mr. Zubin Mehta, who is coming here performing. He has given his consent, and what a wonderful opportunity to showcase the Kashmir. When we talk about my Kashmir, your Kashmir, our Kashmir, first of all, it's very important that at international level we project the positive side of Kashmir. We have been screaming that Kashmir is the paradise of earth and Jannate Benazir and everything. But what to the tourism? I mean, if we talk about good quality things for Kashmir, this is the time when we should, be in line with this entire concept and work. See, as far as I know, with all my interactions with His Excellency the Ambassador, with the Maestro, Mr. Zubin Mehta, there's not even 0.01% of political agenda in this concert. And I can assure, my father and I wouldn't have been into this concert if there was even 1% of political thing involved in it. It's a pure cultural program, basically for Kashmir. And let me highlight this, how the youth really benefits. The international musicians, look at the caliber of the musicians who are coming. I mean, the #1 orchestra, the Bavarian State Orchestra coming to Srinagar. What an honor for the state that we would be welcoming this orchestra together with the maestro as the conductor. And when they reach out there, they meet the young children, they meet the young students who get they get motivated to move on to the positive side, to move on to more activities in which they can really help. They can go abroad, they can learn a lot, they can come back, they can come as musicians. I think we really need to focus on culture right now.
No, but they've lost that focus. You see, the separatists are wanting to politicize everything. Sohail, I'm going to come back to you after Farooq Saab. Okay, you want to say something, Sohail? Would you just wait?
I just want to say one thing to Farooq Saab, to PDP, to NC, to BJP, to everyone. do politics within a certain bandwidth. But for
Absolutely.
God's sake, India has more to offer than just political muddling and political meddling and political one-upmanship. People must be allowed to soak in culture. We can't build a country on division, on anger, on problems. We must have a respite from all this nonsense. And no one seems to be willing. You know, the average person in Kashmir has been harangued. He can't go out of his house. He can't watch opera. He can't see culture. For God's sake, for your petty political standing, do not deprive him.
Farooq Renzo Shah, you want to respond to that? You know, the fact is, there must be a great deal of insecurity. You don't allow cinema halls? No, Farooq Shah, 1 second. 1 second.
Yeah.
You don't allow cinema halls?
Yeah.
You don't allow girls to play music?
hearing you.
You don't allow concerts? I want to ask all those pro-Pakistan
No,
separatists,
point is, you
all the
are-
pro-Pakistan
you are
separatists,
You are
all the
I
pro-Pakistan
think, Mr.
separatists,
Goswami, a person of your caliber is really sometimes misrepresenting the real sentiments of people of Kashmir. You see, you know the Kashmir, you are watching the Kashmir. I am not any politician, I am a writer, I am a free mind, and naturally I am the humanist. As a humanist, I am a revolutionary of love. I would like even Mr. Modi to join revolution of love. I would like Mr. Gilani Saab also to join
So in this-
revolution of love.
in this
All
revolution
those
of love,
elements-
in this revolution of love, in this revolution of love, Farooq Renzo Shah, Farooq Renzo Shah, the Grand Mufti.
I want to tell.
No, one
Why-
sec.
Why in Kashmir, when lot of things have happened during last 2.5 decades, why you are not projecting such things which are really applicable to all the minds of the people?
Oh,
Bring
what are you
the
talking about?
Gandhi, a great Gandhi. Why the Gandhi show is not in the Shalimar?
The what?
If there will be a Shalimar,
The
a Gandhi
Gandhi show,
show
which Gandhi?
talking
Mahatma
about
Sonia.
humanity,
Which Gandhi are
nobody
you
will
talking
oppose.
about?
I am sure who will oppose will feel
You see,
that
the hypocrisy
I am
is
opposing
striking.
The humanity.
The hypocrisy is striking.
Why you are trying?
The hypocrisy is striking, and you are going to force me to say something. No, I'll say something. You see, this man.
If somebody is allowing Zubin Mehta, he is a pro-nationalist. If somebody is not allowing, he is not. When you are dividing
You want to, Farooq Renzo Shah. Now I'll have to ask you a fairly direct question. I'll have to ask a fairly direct question to you, Farooq Renzo Shah. Fairly direct question to you. I remember that Kashmir's Grand Mufti. Allow me to speak. Kashmir's Grand Mufti. Allow me to speak. Listen to me, sir.
Dollar has started 66.
Sir, I'm not talking about the dollar. I'm talking about music. I'm talking about music. Kashmir's Grand Mufti.
Innocent people are being killed.
Sir, allow me 1 minute.
Why to play the music politics?
Sir,
Why
1 second.
not?
Sir, you have
this
such a
type of
problem
politics
with
away?
music.
Why not to talk
You have
about
such
the
a
humanity?
problem with music.
Talk
I have
about
never-
wiping the
He
tears
is
from
modern day
each and
Aurangzeb.
everyone.
Oh, God.
Whether
He
he's
is
a Hindu
Aurangzeb of
or he's a
politics.
Muslim. Wipe the tears. Wipe
Why
stitching
no
the
we-
wounds. You are not stitching the wounds. You are just making a new music.
So when 1 minute. You see what now you listen to me, okay? I'll speak for 30 seconds. Now listen to me very carefully.
Yeah.
Once. And this question goes to all of you.
You have an eye. You have a wizard's eye. But keep it unbiased.
No, I don't. I'm not a wizard, and I don't have a wizard or a lizard's eye. The question is this: the Grand Mufti Bashiruddin, he declared an all-female teenage rock band Pragash's music un-Islamic. Okay, I remember that. Right? Now what happened?
No,
1 minute. Now allow me to speak. I took 30 seconds. Allow me to speak, please. No, don't.
He said.
Don't.
Those
I know what he did.
ladies having the guitar
Arey Baba,
in their
why
hand
don't you understand,
are
sir?
going to street to
So-
street. They should not go to street.
Sir,
to
please
street.
understand
Then
one
he
thing. Allow me to
he
speak.
said,
Allow me to
music-
speak. The
music
Grand
and
Mufti,
language is fine.
Bashiruddin is nobody to decide whether an all-girl band will speak, and not especially when 5 months after that,
We have a
5 months
Kashmir
after
culture.
that,
Kashmir culture says,
Sir, please.
they go for one vote.
Sir, I say, Farooq Sahab, you have to let me speak.
Come to any
You have to let me
marriage,
speak. You have to let
Kashmiri
someone else
women
speak,
sing.
Farooq Sahab.
Don't project Kashmir is a tribal.
You know
and
something?
vast
You know
tribals
something?
Who don't
Farooq
allow
Sahab.
these type of.
Now I'll have to turn the mic off.
Wrong representation of Kashmir. But he said,
One.
keep in
Arnav,
the-
can I add
One minute.
something?
Sohail wants to take you on once. I just want to say one thing. Farooq Renzu Shah. Farooq Renzu Shah, I want to say one thing. If you allow me, please. Otherwise, I'll lower the volume now. I'll lower the volume. I want to say this.